We start to improve the quality of work and help the programmers work on more complicated challenges. So that's what we want to solve, and we also want to bring all of the Sandvix ecosystem under one umbrella for a seamless experience. The biggest challenge to AI adoption in manufacturing is the data silos. Right, so the data is available, a lot of good data is available, but they're not all together. They're not structured in the right way. So bringing all the data together and structuring and making it possible for AI to consume that data and making realistic applications out of it is the top challenge in my mind. Some of the early applications I've seen are Copilot, similar to the ones that we have at Mastercam. But Mastercam has taken a lead in we also not only just provide information for the customers, we also allow the users to control the software using the Copilot. The benefits of the data that is available is also the representative of the expertise that's come from the decades of engineering improvements. And that data is going to help us, not only provide better prediction, but also to train the new workforce as they onboard, right? So it kind of forms the guardrails. Why did you use this particular tooling strategy? Why did you use this particular tools? So all that information is already baked in. So it's great that we can use that to kind of train and build upon that knowledge. The challenge of having all the data is now, it was never meant to be used in this way. So the challenge is how do you structure it? How do you bring it in such a way that AI can consume it and make it useful? What is Sandvik and Mastercam's role in AI? I think we want to leverage it to help our customers become more productive, in short. And there's many layers of that answer, right? So what are the challenges that customers have? One is training their workforce, getting new people involved. And getting the new people involved, it has two challenges to it. One is they have to be trained and they have to be enticed into this industry. And I think AI can solve both of that. It starts to make manufacturing look more cool. It's more advanced, right? Because a lot of the manufacturing techniques have fallen a little bit behind. They work still, they're great, but they've kind of fallen behind compared to other industries. So the AI helps bring the workforce ahead, and also make sure that the productivity is enhanced. When we make all these the minor decisions, the daily decisions of tooling and the tool path strategies, and the simulation and the results of it, we start to improve the quality of work and help the programmers work on more complicated challenges. So that's what we want to solve, and we also want to bring all of the Sandvix ecosystem under one umbrella for a seamless experience, so that the users do not have to jump between multiple applications and start to correlate the data. I think in the next, I think this is going to be a magnitude shift year after year, right? So a lot of the simpler use cases on tooling recommendations, those will start to trickle in the next year or two. The larger ones on, like where they start to trust AI to make a lot of the decisions, like the toolpath strategies and beyond, and trusting the software to make the decisions and start to build on that expertise rather than cross-checking that. So that's going to happen in the next 3 to 5 years, I believe.